Hello, bonjour, Ani. My name is Jenna, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Animal Tracks Science Kit. Now, to get started, you're going to find a lot of interesting and very different scientific materials in this kit. We've got a sponge, a piece of cardstock paper, and a bag that contains a plant-based powdered paint. Now, to use this kit, you're going to have to use your animal instincts and determine what kind of animal footprint you would like to create. Take your piece of cardstock and draw whatever animal print you would like. Here on my piece of paper, you can see that this animal print kind of resembles that of a wolf. Once you have your animal print drawn on your piece of cardstock, you can cut it out and place it onto your sponge. Once that is completely finished, you're going to take your powdered paint and you're going to dump your powdered paint into a container like this, and you only need a very little bit. Once your powdered paint is in your container, you can add a little bit of water and you can slowly mix until it becomes liquidy. You want to get rid of all of the lumps. After your paint is nice and liquidy, you can take it and you can pour it onto your sponge that contains your print. Afterwards, once your print and your sponge are covered in paint, go ahead and use it as a stamp. Press down and hold it for just a couple of seconds. Once you reveal your creation, you're going to be able to fool all of your friends and family to think that there was an animal nearby. Thank you, merci, and miigwech. Until next time.